Hello everyone, how are you all okay? There are two steps. Today we are going to discuss about there are two steps to stay away from negative people. How to stay away from negative people. Negative people are those who fill up our mind with whole negativity. In our surroundings, many people out there, we can find many people out there like those. So how to find out the people who is giving negative thoughts and who is giving positive thoughts? Negative people are those. First point is that always they told about us that it is not possible by you and it is not in your hand and it's not possible. This work is not possible by you only and you do not do like this and you should not do like that. Like these types of negative thoughts they telling about us and they fill up our mind. And second point is they are always not thinking about themselves. Self-thinking is not there in negative people, but they think about others. That is always they are thinking about the other people, others, what others are doing, and they are not concentrate on their work. So these types of people are called as negative people. So in our surroundings, many people are there who are staying. That is, we need to find out them and we need to stay away from them. Then only we can work better and better. Always we fill up our mind with positive thoughts and we should have surroundings and our people who is giving always positive thoughts only. Okay, it's thank you so much. Be good and think good and things always return back good only. Thank you so much.